Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Alright, you ever been surfing through Facebook and see one of those ads that pop up? You know, it's like, oh my god, I was just talking to my better half about a toaster, so now you have 18,000 toaster ads that pop up on Facebook? Well, this video is because of one of those. No, it's not a toaster, it's some beard oil. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, before we go too much further, for you longtime viewers and you guys are just finding me for the very first time, I think it's going to be down there in that corner, alright? There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, it's going to pull up subscribe, just get that out of the way early. You will feel so much better about yourself for the rest of the day. As you saw by that title, we're going to take a look at Beard Gains Presidential Beard Oil. That's this little guy right here, okay? Alright, that's a great look at the bottle, great look at the label. This popped up after I had just uploaded a video about, you know, different beard oil. And I started looking through and went, oh, okay, well, that's kind of interesting. Alright, sorry about that weird pause. I mean, I know you guys can see the little click and whatnot. I totally forgot one thing I needed for this video. But still, like I was saying a moment ago, so the ad popped up. I took a look and went, hey, that's pretty freaking interesting. And what was even more interesting is when you ordered a 1 ounce bottle, because they have 3 options. You can get a ½ ounce, 1 ounce, and 3 ounces. All right. But when you order the 1 ounce bottle, they're offering a free leather case for your beard oil. Seriously. It comes with a little leather case that for some reason they decided you need to attach to your keyring. I don't know about you, but I don't carry beard oil on my keychain. It seems to be pretty okay put together, you know. But I just found that, well, maybe not. You know. I just found that weird that you're getting beard oil and a leather case. Just strange. All right. Now, this company, what really made me laugh is they live by a motto, well, I should say a motto, that a well-maintained beard is fantastic for your outer appearance, but it is also essential for, as they put it, inner health. Now, that just made me giggle going before I started really using beard care products. Or you mean to tell me I was getting sick because I wasn't, you know, grooming the mane? Weird. All right. As they put it, it's made for a man, but their beard oil is loved by women. They are made in the USA, out of North Carolina. Now, it's got a light to medium scent strength. You know it's there, like, right away you know it's there. But it kind of goes away fast for the, you really smell it, but it kind of lingers for a good 4 to 5 hours. And I know that doesn't make any sense, but it's not overpowering for that amount of time. It's not, oh look, I'm here now, I'm gone. It's, I'm here. We retract a little. Now, as they put it, you know, presidential, all right? So when I first smelled it, I went, oh my god, this thing's like cologne. But after, you know, everything settled down and it kind of thawed out, because I'm getting this basically January 2019, so when it shows up, it's pretty much frozen. You know, now when I smell it, the only way I can put it is, it's got kind of a cologne-y scent, not overpowering, not like, you know, when everyone used to bathe in Drakkar. But it's like, have you ever been in a used bookstore? You know, like if you're really into books, how that smell just sits right there. Have you ever been around like really powerful people? You know, it's just that pheromone kind of scent of, I'm important, you need to look at me. That's actually what it reminds me of, is just, I am dignified, I am, you know, important, I am presidential. And, you know, that's kind of what it reminded me of. I did get the 1 ounce bottle, as you can see. Now, I don't know if it's a huge sticker all the way around it, because you can kind of see that right there. It's like white on the top, but, you know, kind of blacked out to help protect the oil down below. It does have the eyedropper, you know, dispenser. And hopefully you can see that. It's got kind of a yellowish tinge to it, which is totally cool. You know, it's just the way the carrier oils mix. Now, speaking of those carrier oils, it's got grapeseed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and they say fragrances. And they also put in there, and I don't know why, boasting very generous amounts of East Indian sandalwood. So I think that's maybe what gives it that dignified kind of thing, that sandalwoody smell that like a lot of old guys like to use, you know. Just a thought, you know. This one for Beard Gains is not on Amazon. They do have some of their other scents, which I'll be bringing to the channel at a later point, but this one I can only find on their web address, which is beardgains.com. Now, for the 1 ounce bottle, it's going to run you $15.39. Now, I don't know if that's a great deal, but it's kind of right in the middle of that range where I like to pay between 10 and 20 bucks for beard oil. So it's kind of right in the middle. All right. The half ounce bottle is $9.09. And as they put it, the 3 ounce refill bottle is $31.49. So basically, if you look at the 3 ounce bottle, you're almost paying just like 10 bucks for beard oil. So it's not bad. I like it. It's really easy to use. You just basically fill the eyedropper however you need to with how much you think you need. Put it in your hand, rub your hands together, and work it into your beard and comb it out. Always make sure to get that little dead zone down here because, you know, with your neck and clothes and everything, the hairs down here need all the help it can get. That's the easiest way I can put it. Remember, you're using beard oil more for your skin underneath the beard than you are actually the beard itself. Because it's going to help, you know, with the beard druff. It's going to help, you know, promote healthy growth. It's going to do a whole bunch of interesting things for your beard. Okay. That's all the fun stuff out of the way. Now I want to know what you think. That's right, you. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything, man. I mean, yeah, go ahead. Rag on the leather case, because honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do with it after this video. Because I'm not carrying beard oil on my freaking keychain. People are going to think I'm carrying mace. And in the Pacific Northwest, I'm going to trigger some freaking liberal. And that's just going to cause a meltdown that I don't want to have to explain to my children. Alright. Now, for you first-time viewers, man, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day here on my channel. It means the world to me that you chose one of my videos, because I know there's so many options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you picked mine. Now, for you long-time guys and you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the start of the video, I think it's going to be in one of those two corners, okay? It's going to be a bigger channel logo popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you subscribe, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Why? It's going to notify you every single time that my dumbass uploads a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to be popping up either on that side of the screen or on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Beard Gains Presidential Beard Oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.